Hi everyone, welcome to Naturally Hema. Today is my favorite topic again, traditional rice or heirloom rice from our country. Today I will be talking about the Kulakkar rice. Before I get into Kulakkar rice in the recipe, here are a few interesting facts about the name rice itself. The word rice was not part of the English dictionary till almost 13th century. It became a part of the dictionary because of words which were derived. This French word called ris, an Italian word of riso, and a Greek word of oriza. So here is a backstory to that. Alexander the Great in 326 BC picked up this interesting plant from India on his backward journey. He was amazed by it because it was grown in waterbeds and it was sown in waterbeds and it produced a huge crop of cereal. Okay? And in local language it was called arisi in Tamil Nadu. Now you see the connection? My next post is going to be about Navara rice from Kerala. If you want to know how to use Navara rice in your kitchen, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.